Here is a book on a 4430, I believe. Yeah, 4430. That's your parts manual. Here's a 410 John Deere baler. So you just tear it down. Here's a shop manual for your A, B, G, H's, D, M, and MT John Deere. It looks like original ITT manual. Here's a shop manual for your 520, 530, 620, 630s, 720, 730s. That's a pretty neat book. And here's a Ford for all your 20 series tractors, looks like. It's a lot of here. Well, there's two books here. This is your IT manual for them right here, and then here's another one. Wait just a minute. There's your John Deere 4520 here. Somebody brought us some good books. 4520. You can tear this thing down front to rear and shows you how to take it apart, put it back together. John Deere 4520, I presume. And then here's a couple little HARDI spray manuals. It shows you how to take them apart and different things. Nozzles. And there's your self-cleaning HARDI filters. Okay, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get 8 books for $1 money.